I'm Jen, and this is a how-to video. Today we're going to learn how to make a paper airplane, like this. Now I'll tell you what you need to make a paper airplane. You will need an A4 size sheet of paper like this. First you fold your piece of paper in half horizontally. Then you unfold it and fold two corners. Then you fold down the two corners. And then you fold two more corners. And then you fold them in half again. And then after that, you fold the whole thing in half. And you fold up the two edges. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and join us again next time for more fun.